Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you can picture search using Taobao app. So the first thing I'm going to do is to click on my Taobao to load this way. Then when you get to the site, you have to locate the camera icon from the address bar at the top right corner. You click on the camera icon. So when you click on the camera icon, it's going to open up in another way. So the next thing you have to do now is to click on where you have a picture. This is just an example where you have a picture from phone. Click on this point here. So you'll be taken to picture from your phone. So let me close this. There you go. Then when you click on here, you want to picture search. So I'm going to search for this. Boom. So you can see there are a lot of manufacturers that produce this kind of same product. So you can scroll down and choose from the variety of manufacturer and make your purchase. So guys, this is how you can actually picture search using Taobao app. So, and I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you enjoyed this video, click like button, and also remember to subscribe to this channel for more interesting tips and tricks and more information about importation from China and some other country. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, and I see you soon. Bye.